Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to play with some eyeshadow. I'm so excited. We're going to use this Morphe palette that I got that I never used, and it's going to be the Artistry palette, and it's the Boss Smooth 35M. Now this palette is pretty old. I think I purchased it in the fall and I never used it at all, never touched it. This palette is very colorful and I like it. I love the greens, the purples in it, the oranges. They have some warm tones over here. I love these olives. Like, this is my color scheme. I love this right here. So this is the eye look that I came up with today, and we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to do a full face tutorial today, guys, and I'm going to show y'all how I achieve this eyeshadow look and just, you know, talk you through everything. So guys, let's just get right into it. Now my eyebrows I already did off camera, and I already concealed them with my Makeup Revolution C13 concealer. I can't give it a visual, but it's okay. We know how it looks. I set my concealer already with translucent setting powder. I use my Sacha Buttercup powder. And we're just going to go right in with our first shade here. Now, you know these Morphe palettes are really inexpensive, and they don't come with a mirror, but they do come with a name chart, which is good. I need to tape it on here. Like, tape it or glue it in there so it can stay there. But first shade I went in with was Fired Up. And Fired Up is this orangey shade right there. Very, very pretty. So I used that as my transition shade, and I applied it with a NYX fluffy brush. You guys know these are my favorite brushes ever. So I'm dipping in there. We're going to go right forward. Shade blends out like butter. Now that we're done with that, we're going to go in with our crease shade, and we're going to use this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. This brush is like really round and small. It's a small little blending brush just to get up in my crease. I'm going to go in my crease with Green with Envy. This is Green with Envy right here. This is the shade I'm going to put all in my crease, and I'm going to like wing it out. And I'm going to dab this into my crease, and then I'm just going to blend it out. With these inexpensive palettes, some shades are like wonderful, and then some shades are like a miss, and some shades you just got to work a little harder. But mainly, like, all of the shimmery shades are like bomb. Like, this is a good starter palette, like the Morphe palettes, BH Cosmetics palettes. Like, these are good starter palettes because you get so many colors and shadows for a reasonable price. I'm going to go in, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using my MAC Mineralized concealer in a light shade. See that? Oh. And we're going to cut this crease. Now, with this look, I really just want to stay on my lid. I don't want to go above the crease or nothing. I just really want to stay on my lid. So the next shade that we're going in with is Bright Eyes. And it's this pretty shimmery shade right here. We're gonna apply our gunmetal glitter, heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay, Midnight Cowboy. I can't talk while I do this. Now this glitter is very wet. You gotta like let this dry. Is do my wing. Maybe this is a better angle for y'all to see. So I'm just filling it in. I so be wanting to make like thicker wings and then I get scared. I get scared. Do y'all make that thicker? Yeah. We're gonna prime our face and prime our and apply our foundation. Back to you guys. I think I'm gonna show you my brow bone highlight. My brow bone highlight is gonna be Pop Star. And I'm also gonna make that my inner corner highlight when I get done my makeup. Okay. Slide that wig back, girl. Slide that wig back. Concealer is done. Like it's nothing. Like I'm making it work. Let me just try. Let me try. This concealer is done. Rest in peace to a real one. Top. Let me tell you something. I will blend the shit out of a contour. You understand me? They know. They know. I will pull this wig to the side for a contour. Okay? Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We're going to take it back to one of my old faithfuls and we're going to go onto this ColourPop bronzer. I do not know the shade that I order, but when you order ColourPop, the powder comes single and then you can, I think, purchase this for like $2 or something like that. I think I purchased it for. And the shade is so bomb. Pulls a little red. Well, yeah, it pulls red. But I'm just going to like set my contour. And just bring that back. Yes. It's going to be Bronze Gold by Bobbi Brown. We're going to use that as our highlight. Bitch, are you getting happy? Yeah, we're going to use it as our highlight. I was going to set my face first, but either way, it's makeup. Oh shit! Oh shit, baby, stop! Ooh, ooh, Elizabeth, what are you doing? Ooh, Elizabeth, are you gonna? Are you gonna blend that out? Elizabeth, do you see that? I'm Elizabeth, I think something went wrong. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. When you apply Bronze Glow by Bobbi Brown, don't wet the brush. Go in lightly. I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender and try to I don't know. I'm just gonna try to do something, cause that was major. That was major. Oh, okay. Okay, I could do this. Okay, I could work with this. Okay. We're gonna go in, we're gonna set our face. We're gonna use my Makeup Forever Dual Matte Powder in 218. We're going to use this Fired Up shade right here as a blush, lightly. I will go back in with another highlight. I will go back in with that same highlight. I'm just going to go light. I'm going to go light on this highlight because, baby. Okay. I could do that. Okay. Okay, fine. We're going to go in and we're going to finish our bottom half of our eyes. So we're going to go into Fired Up first. Then we're going to go into whatever the other shade was. I'm going to do something different, but I'm a little scared. I'm going to apply this Dose of Color liner and Light My Fire and see how that goes. Hopefully well, but I mean, we will see how this turns out. Which is beautiful. We're gonna apply some mascara, and it's gonna be our Dior Show mascara, and we're gonna apply these Sugar Baby No Baddie B lashes and Sugar Baby. And let me open them. Cute packaging always. This is how they look. Pretty. I'm gonna apply these on with some duo glue, and I'll be right back. So guys, we got our lashes on. We're gonna finish this up. We're gonna try a nude lip. It's gonna be the Milani Nude Matte or Matte Nude, and we're gonna go on with our BFF lip liner from ColourPop. And I've been liking this combo, and just gonna. Felicity, are you trying to leave me? Thank you. Thank you. So guys, this is the nude lip. Not really feeling it with this eye look. But we're going to go deeper and we're going to try a brown lip, guys. So I'll be right back with the brown lip. I don't think I like this either. Oh my god, do it. So hey guys, this is the finished look using the Morphe palette. I like the palette, and I mean it's a real good palette. Besides, like I was saying, some of them shadows are a hit and a miss when it comes to, or a miss when it comes to like the matte shadows, but their shimmery shadows are always popping nice. And I like how my eye look came out. I like the look. I like it with the brown lip more than I like it with the nude lip. Like, really. Let's see. Yeah, my face so fat. But I like it with the brown lip way better than I like it with the nude lip. So, guys. This is my finished look. I'm just checking myself out. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you like this tutorial, guys. I will see you on the next video. If you're not subscribed to the family, guys, subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family, and we can get stuff rolling. I can have these videos booming out. We could be learning and teaching each other and trying new shit with each other all the time. See you on the next video.